Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we've had a fairly decent little move to the upside over the past few days. Obviously, Bitcoin right now looking like it's getting rejected at the top of its range. If we just take a quick look at Bitcoin, because obviously it's leading the market right now, you can see right now we've got this massive wick rejection candle here. We got up to around, what was this, 26.5k, with Bitcoin essentially, you know, looking like it was going to break out of this range finally. You can see obviously we were in this range for a good while. We had the FTX collapse here. And then obviously the overextension to the low was too ridiculous. You know, we coiled up, came back inside the range, ran all the way up to resistance again at the top of it. Came back down here, retested the bear market low with all the FUD that we saw in the market over the past week or so. With Silvergate, etc, etc. Got a very nice back test here, followed by a really nice run all the way up to the top of the range, which I did say was probably on the cards. And then you can see here, yesterday we had that really nice run to the upside, trying to break out here for Bitcoin, but you can see we coiled up and then came back down, looking like right now we want to back test that area, don't we? You can see on the hourly chart coming back into the range, the breakout, the back test. You can see here looking like potentially Bitcoin could be looking at having a run to the upside. Obviously, if you're thinking about this purely from a technical perspective, you can see rejection at the range high, the breakout, we come back down, the back test. You can see here we come back down into the range, get a very nice back test, and then you can see here on the hourly time frame, bullish engulfing candle, a little bit of a move to the upside, come back down, back test again, another bullish engulfing candle here with a wick rejection of that low again. So looking like potentially resistance being flipped into support right now with some bullish engulfing candles in that area. So on the daily time frame, Bitcoin looking like it is getting a massive rejection here, but it could be potentially breakout, back test and continuation. And if that is the case for Bitcoin, we could easily see Vechain having a continuation inside of its range as well. You can see obviously with that overextension of that low there, came back down, retested that swing low in this area here. Decent amount of support, rejection of that low. Coming back up here, as you can see, right now stuck under our EMAs, but back inside the range. And as I said before, I will be trading this range until it breaks. So if we do come back down here and back test this area, I will be looking to enter a long position targeting the middle of that range. And you know, if Bitcoin does continue to the upside, we could see ourselves heading back up really without even back testing this area. So really just waiting to see, as always, what Bitcoin does before we, you know, make a move on Vechain. Obviously Vechain quite highly correlated right now. So, but now that we're back inside the range, as I said before, I will be trading the range until it breaks. And right now looking like, you know, we're back inside the range and waiting to see what Bitcoin does next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out most days with other investors. So if you do want to get an edge on the market and support the channel, that would be a great way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.